top down, yeah, you know I'm zooming. Wait up, Shawty gon' serve me up like she a waiter.
Just cleaning up the headlights and then we'll get the bumper on. Get a nice coat of wax on these things while they're all open. What? That guitar solo? Go follow these guys. Plunge Pool Music on Instagram and Plunge Pool on Facebook. My buddy's band, local, go follow them. Alright, that hour haircut gave us just enough time for it to get dark outside. Time to see them halos in the dark. Time to hear that cold start in the cold. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, follow my Instagram, Masscat978, right now, before we get to it. Right now. Alright, let's get to it. this is the app. Alright, that wraps it up for this video. I appreciate the ones that have hung till the end. I know the quality isn't all there yet, but it's coming. You know, new video cameras coming. Summer's coming. More videos are coming. We're gonna have some good content coming, so I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, comment for the algorithm, and follow my Instagram, Mascat978, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.
I feel like Fago. I'm in a lot, feel like J. Cole. I'm in a drop top, then a Ranger. Y'all gotta pay her. I'm in my money like this is a layout. Quit at the funny, girl, you know my main hoe. 12 and a half, they could never see.